Today ride it's a 1st of May ride, it's a holiday ride, and there you go. And it's from Mainland China and on Ballygunge Circular Road. And we ride to Nature Study Park, covering some of important hotspots of Kolkata, some of important buildings, institutions in Kolkata, and we'll let you know as we pass them. Ready, partner? It's expected not to be very crowded today, and as you see, it is not crowded. Some repair works happening on the road. Although, you know, this part of the road did not need repairs, but they are repairing it. And then there are parts of the road that need repair and they aren't being repaired. And that's the irony. It's a nice, warm, sunny day, but because it has been raining for the last 2 days, so the air is at a very soft, cold temperature, and you actually enjoy the ride. The sun doesn't bother you. And if you live in Calcutta, and if you're on 1st May, and if you are then saying that the sun doesn't bother you, well, that will bother a lot of people who've been here, but I guess the climate worldwide is changing. Is it comfortable at the back?
Yes.
Nice. This is the agency Bose Road and Ballygunge Circular Road intersection. That's the school for girls. Lamartinere, you know, most people would not pronounce the name right. So what is the right pronunciation of the name?
Lamartinere.
Okay.
Lamart.
Yes. Yeah. So that's the section for girls. And then when we go left and then we cut and right, we'll be passing from in front of the section for boys. Not many people today. There we go. Honking is a disease in Calcutta. People just, I think they find the music in their horns and they just honk.
So crowded on normal days. Pakistan.
That's
That's a girls' school.
Did you get the boys?
Some point.
Good. This is another park, Auckland Park, but I don't see people coming here. I don't know if it is still open to public. There has been a lot of construction. There has been a lot of activity. Unfortunate for Calcutta because most of the green spaces are being constructed upon. They are being used for various projects that they shouldn't be. But then, I don't know. Maybe that is the cost of urbanization, that is the cost of exploding population, and one thing that should have been on top of the agenda was birth control, which I don't talk and I don't hear anybody talk about. I mean, 40 years ago there was this Hum Do Hamare Do slogan, and there was family planning, and there were so many things. And that time the population was not even half of what it is today. But today there isn't any talk about family planning, maybe because it's offensive to a few sections of the society. So even if it is wrong, but because you may get offended, shut. And then we turn left into Francis Xavier Street. This was formerly known as Short Street. You have a very good showroom for sports goods on your left, if you could cover this. It's called sportsjam.in. It's a good showroom. You get equipment, clothing for almost all sports. Last time when we came to the park, we went this way and from the left, and we entered from that opening. And now we are on Short Street. So, this is Xavier College. The property starts from here and goes right to the end. And sorry, I had to do that. You seem oblivious. And there we are at Nature Study Park now. Parking on the side.